Your teams are racing to transform work with AI agents. And all these AI agents with varying degrees of safety and expertise are vying to access one thing: your highly valuable data. And the blazing speed and scale at which these AI agents can interact with your data creates a whole new category of risk that you need to watch out for. The dilemma really is you often don't know what AI agents are deployed in your environment. Are they really safe to use? Who's actually using them? What data they can really access? And even if you knew all that, could you protect against those actions? That's why Veeam is introducing Agent Commander. This is truly DataAI security and DataAI resilience coming together to help you accelerate safe AI at scale. It can not only help you detect AI, but it can help you to undo AI mistakes. And it's really easy to use. Simply connect Agent Commander to your cloud, your SaaS, or your AI systems. In minutes, you will see AI agents and AI models in your environments, how they are truly related to users and human identities, the data they can access, and what is sensitive inside that data. Then you can also see if your data is resilient against AI mistakes in a backup system, ready to be recovered if AI actually misbehaves or becomes malicious. So it's really more than just detecting AI agents. It's like an MRI map of your environment, which shows how the AI agents are related to your data, the AI models, the users, and the sensitive information in your environment. Now, once you see what's happening, the toxic combination checks will help you find all kinds of risks and violations. You can enable custom policies to classify data, label the data, change permissions, or put policies to prevent AI misuse. We know that even with all these protections, AI mistakes or malicious activity is simply inevitable. That is the reason that we have created Undo AI capability. So you have the power to recover with precision from your backup data. This provides the ability to surgically find what an agent did, like deleting a file, and simply recover by hitting the undo button. So it's finally here. Data AI security and data AI resilience together with Agent Commander can unleash the power of AI agents in a safe, secure, and resilient way. Please give it a try.